Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another How to Create Upcycled Puppets. This time I have a little dog, and I think his tail spins, or at least wigs or waggles or twists and turns or something like that. And but I haven't been able to get him to work because, of course, the batteries are dead. So let's see here. I think that's the case. Hang on a second. Yep. Okay, so we're going to change the batteries on this guy, and we're going to see what he does. Alrighty. It is a... let's see. What is he? Gaffa International Corp. Made in China. It's going to be an easy puppet build, but I want to see what he does before we tear him apart. Okay, it should be a quick and easy job. One screw, it's a standard Phillips head, and then we remove the base. I say that. Oh, there's a little catch on it. Alright. I don't know why they bothered with the little ribbon, but they put a ribbon on it. Oh, that's why. There's like 3 batteries in this one. Alright. 3 batteries. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so there's, let's see here. Lay that across there like so. And which way does that go? That goes like this. That. Alright, so there, one like that. And the other one goes like this. And the other one goes like that. Okay. Let's get this buttoned up there. Probably don't, you know what, I don't have to do that. Okay, so we need to turn it to the on position, which it is. You ready for it now? Here we go. The dog. What is he? Crazy-eyed dog. Okay, here we go. What does he do? Come on, crazy-eyed dog. No. Come on, crazy-eyed dog. I know it works because the batteries work because I just used them. Oh, that's too bad. Well, I don't know what the crazy-eyed dog does. Whoa! Shoots out the batteries, that's for sure. Let me get that one there so I remember. All right. And this is how simple it is to turn this into a puppet. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3. There we go. See that? Look at that, guys. The tail comes right out. Bing. The little deal there, and the switcheroony is in the foot. Let me get that out. Not that the switch works. We still want it removed from the apparatus. Okay. Right there on the thread, that comes out like that. The foot goes back, and there's the switch. And there's the mechanism. I don't know what he did, but I'm sure it was exciting. So that's that. Okay, get that down there too. Now, you ready? Let's remove a little bit of the stuffing, just like this. And we're going to turn it into a puppet. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, let's get it right there like that. 3. It's a puppet now, guys. Look at that. It doesn't leave much for the imagination with my arm down there, but he's a puppet nonetheless, with just a little bit of foam removed and the mechanism. So there he is. A puppety, crazy-eyed puppety dog. Thank you very much for coming along on this journey. If you've been here before, thank you. For those of you who have joined us for the first time, you're in for this on a regular basis. But please feel free to subscribe, and you'll get all the updates. And this is the DIY Magician with another How to Create Upcycled Puppets. Puppets. Thanks again for coming along. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.